Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm here today after a long time of not uploading anything to unbox, as you probably have seen in the title, my new technological toy, as you may call it, which is my new Kobo Elipsa, which is in this big box. I'm not even sure it fits the whole frame. But yeah, we are gonna open this up, see what's in the box, turn it on and see what happens.
Vlooniverse.
Here we are for the unboxing itself. You might notice a bit of shaking in the camera, a bit of instability, but this is because the setup I have is a bit unstable, to say the very least. I'm gonna put up a photo here. Anyway, here we go. This is the packet. It's a really big box, and I'm going to start to open it. I've never done an unboxing, so this is my first time. Anyway, this is the Kobo Elipsa, as I said. I have had Kobos in the past. I've had two, and I currently have a Kindle, which I use and love a lot. Yeah, I decided to get the Kobo Elipsa, as you can see. Let's take it out of the box. And here we go. This is the Kobo Elipsa. The Kobo Elipsa pack, which includes the sleep cover, includes the Kobo Elipsa itself, and the stylus over here. Very nice. It's not... Oh, there we go. But as I was saying, I have a Kindle which I use, and you know, I don't have a real need for another e-reader in terms of reading books per se. But the reason why I decided to get the Kobo Elipsa is that I am a neuroscience student, and I'm going to have my research project next year, which is going to be really exciting. And I want to go into research as well, so a big part of my life, if all goes well, is going to be reading papers, which are in PDF, obviously not available in EPUB or Mobi or anything. And so I decided to invest in a larger e-reader in order to make it easier for me to read those papers, which I will have to, because I don't like reading them on a laptop. Yeah, so here we go. Ooh, look at this. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I'm gonna just toss this on the sides. Okay, so as you can see, we have the Kobo Elipsa, the stylus, which I'm going to open now. Here we go. So to open it now. Oof. Here you go. Nothing else in the box. Let's put it here. What's this? Oh yeah, quick starter guides, some instructions, and guarantee and warranty and stuff. Anyway, this is not very important. And here we have the stylus itself, which is... Oh, sorry, isn't turning it. Here you go. Has two buttons over here. The tip, which I heard was a bit clanky, and it is. I'm sure I won't mind. And over here, let's just take it out. We have the quadruple A battery. So I'm gonna pop it in. There we go. and the stylus is ready to use. Here we go, very nice. I've heard people complaining about the weight distribution. They say that the top part is very heavy. I actually don't find it to be that bad, but it, it really depends on how you write and where you position your fingers and everything. So that might be why. So yeah, here we have the stylus, and over here something that is a bit tricky to spot. If you remove this, over here you have the tip removal. It's not called a tip, but I don't really know the exact name. I think it's not tip. And here we have an extra. Here we go, an extra tip for the stylus. Yeah, so that's what's included in the box. Here we have the Kobo Elipsa itself, which is going to be the last thing I'm going to open, because it's the best, and I always save the best for last. Ooh, this is very heavy. I've heard a lot of people saying that the sleep cover is very heavy, and it is very, very heavy. They're not lying. Oof. I saw someone weighing it, and this is pretty much the same weight as the e-reader itself, which is something. Yeah, I'm a strong person, so you know, I'm not too worried about it. Here we go. Nothing else in the box. Let's toss it aside. And ooh, hello. This is nice. So it's got the magnetic back, which sticks really well, really nicely. We have a sort of quick start guide here on the different things you can do. This is one of the things I like the best about it, which is you can you know, fold these different bits in different ways in order to have it in a more upright position, so you don't have to be holding it all the time. Yeah, a cool thing about it is that you can remove the top bit, which you're going to do to remove this bit, toss it on the side, and yeah, you can have just the e-reader on here, which protects a bit, and then pop this on when you want to protect the whole thing. And a cool thing as well is that, as you can see on the box here, the Kobo Elipsa is asymmetrical. There's one side that's wider than the other, and so according to where you want to hold the wider side, then you can pop the cover over, oh, this is the wrong way, over here, or you can pop it over here. There is holes on both sides for the cover. Here you go. Very, very nice. I really like this so far. And here we go for the Kobo Elipsa itself. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, that feels good. Oh yes, look at this. Ooh, it feels so great. All the e-readers I've had were, you know, good e-readers, but not the best. But this one surely is very, very high quality. It's such a difference. So we have the e-reader here, a quick starter guide warranty, the cable, and that's it. That's all there is on the box. And so here we have the 3 components of the Kobo Elipsa pack: the Kobo, the sleep cover, and the stylus. It's really light. It doesn't look like it. I have an iPad, which is about the same size as this one, and it's so much heavier. This is really light. Yeah, let's pop it on the cover. It's tricky to pop it on, and here on the top of the sleeve cover we have a place where we can put the stylus, so that it's all in the same place. This is really nice. Yeah, how would I like to hold it? Probably this way, so I'm gonna swap this around. Come off thing. There we go. Nice. So I'm gonna power it on and see what happens. It's downloading an update. Whoop. Please be patient, less than a minute remaining. One thing that I found really funny that with the Kobos I had is how polite everything was. It was like every single time I had to wait, it says something, you know, please be patient, we'll be right back. It's gonna be really quick. We apologize for this update and for, you know, not allowing you to use your Kobo. It's really funny how polite they are. Whoa. Oh yes. You need to do it. Skip manually. You can do it with a stylus. But this is what it feels like. Ooh. Oh. It feels awesome. It really does. Wow. That's great. Yeah. So this is basically, you know, it's the way Kobos work. So, you know, more of the same, the same ecosystem, if I may say so. And yeah, here we have, so the buttons will do different things. The one on the bottom will highlight, which is nice. You can then... No, that's not it. There's some way of removing the highlight. I think it's this one. But yeah, there's you can write on the EPUBs and everything. You know, make notes and everything. This is really cool. Really cool. Yeah. This is how an EPUB works. I don't have any PDFs I can show you right now, but I will probably do a review of the Kobo in the future, and there I'll show you every single capability it has. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is the notebook. So this is the notebook capability for note taking, obviously. And we have, I don't know if you can see. I'm not going to try and zoom in because of how precarious this all is. We have a basic notebook and an advanced notebook. So I'm going to go with the basic notebook. Oh, I have to give it a name. Here we go. Yeah, highlight and erase. Yeah, that's everything. So you know, this is pretty much, you know, like a page where you can write and everything. You swipe for new pages. You can change the background, change the type of brush, the type of the pen size, the pen shade, and then you can change the background as well. And there are several things with that, which I'll show you later on. You can't even see because of the glare. That's so sad. But yeah, here we have the basic notebook. It's not, you know, nothing too. It's nothing too fancy. And if we go for the advanced one, it feels great to work around with this. Oh, the gyroscope is activated. Gonna turn that off because I don't like it. It has a gyroscope which allows you to, you know, have it in any direction, and it works pretty well. So if I in the advanced notebook, something that's really cool is that, and this is like the coolest feature, and this is the only one I'll show you right now because the other ones are quite complicated, is that it can turn your writing into okay, got it. Here you go. So basically what it does, well, it didn't really register the accent in my name, but it converts your handwrite to, you know, text, and that's amazing. So if I write bananas are delicious. This is my ugly handwriting, which no one really understands usually. So I'm curious to see if Kobo does. It does, but ours are delicious, and it didn't even take that long. And there are all sorts of things you can do with... Yeah, there are all sorts of things you can do with the Advanced Notebook, but I'm not going to show them to you right now. Because I'll have to make a list and prepare everything for a new video. But yeah, this is basically the new Kobo Elipsa. I'm really excited about this. I've been waiting for it for a couple of weeks. And this is what it looks like. Yeah. Alright. I'll swap my setup around. And in the next shot, you'll see my face. So that's exciting. I'm gonna clap, see if that's... Whoa! I'm gonna do it again because I said whoa. I'm stupid. So that's everything I wanted to show you. I'm really excited about my Kobo Elipsa. I'm really excited to try it out, to try reading, you know, books, PDFs, papers, try the notebook feature, try every single thing. Overdrive, Dropbox, try every single thing. I'm going to be doing that over the next couple of days, couple of weeks. And I shall be back at some point to give you a full review of the Kobo Elipsa. I feel like it's going to be very positive because I've loved it so far. I've seen a lot of unboxings and reviews of over the last couple of the last week, I'd say. And you know, many of the negative points that people have pointed out, if you pardon the repetition, I have not found them that annoying or that, you know, harmful, damaging to my experience. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it, to using the Kobo Elipsa, to testing it out, to doing everything with it. Yeah, it's going to be fun. I'm really excited, and I hope you are too for my full review of the Kobo Elipsa. And that's it from me today. It's been a pleasure. I ordered the Kobo Elipsa on Saturday. Today's Friday, the week after, so 6 days ago. I ordered it 6 days ago. I didn't realize, but it was only 2 days after it was officially released. So it's very exciting to have it so soon. And yeah, these 6 days have been crazy. I've been really anxious to get this parcel, and now that I have finally got it, I'm really excited. I'm really happy to have done this video. I hope you enjoyed it as well. I really did. Yeah, and that's it from me today. I hope to see you in some next video. Bye bye.